Today in front of me I have the DJI Air 3, and in this video we will together unbox this drone, see what items, accessories and, well, things it comes with. So let's jump right into it and start the unboxing. So here you have the outer box that has the drone's image printed onto it, which is not new. On its side you have the in the box list that tells you what items you should expect from the box kit, or what items do come with the drone itself. Here you also have the app download, QR code for an Android, and just the download on the App Store badge for the iOS users, and just a bunch of other information, warnings and so on. Anyways, let's actually open the packaging and take out everything that actually, well, is interesting here. So on top we have this box, so let's begin by opening it first. And this box contains the remote controller. Let's also quickly take it out of its packaging. Here you go. That's what the remote controller on this drone, or for this drone, looks like. Here you have the phone handle and just overall a pretty regular looking DJI RC. Alongside it, you will also find its accessories, such as wires to connect your phone to the remote controller, a bunch of wires in fact. I see two. So one is for an iPhone with a lightning adapter, and one is the regular Type-C, but this one looks like this one is a charging wire, so it's not the connection wire. You also get the replacement propellers here, as you can see. I will not take them out for now. And as far as things here go, that's it. The only other thing you get is this quick start guide. So let's return everything back inside this little box here. Another thing that you get is obviously the drone itself. Here you go. Here is the aircraft. It's pretty big. It's not the lightweight drone. This one is a chunky boy. So that's what it looks like next to the remote controller and next to my hand. And it feels pretty heavy too. And well, as far as the packaging goes, that will be actually it. I do not have anything else inside the box. So my bundle, or my kit, had the remote controller, one connection wire and one charging wire that we will also use as the connection wire. And what else? The replacement propellers, and that's pretty much it. So should you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.